Hey guys, my name's Amanda and this is Crystal 2.0. Together we make up Art Van Grow. I have been traveling full-time on the road now for almost 9 months. I left New York back in May and I traveled to 20 states in the United States, ending in Washington, where then I sold my 26-foot Class C RV. Got rid of that, moved into a tent, then moved out of the tent, got this van, and I've been living in the van now for 4 months while I completely remodel it. I had the help of Wes Lewis with Transcend Existence start me off with the van conversion, and now I have Phil Gorman with Bogan Bus helping me out finish the rest. I'm making my way down to RTR and Skooliepalooza, which fingers crossed the van will be done by then. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update and show you my progress on where the van is at now. You guys like the progress so far. It's slow but steady. We're gonna get there. Hopefully I'll see y'all at RTR and Skooliepalooza and you'll be able to see the final product. And just make sure you keep updated with my social media. All the links will be in the description below. Go check out my Patreon, support the movement, and catch you guys later. Bye.